prefer the word democratizing. I think that, it's much better for thousands of people to own a culturally significant multi-million-dollar artwork than a single individual collector. And one of the things that we're focused on at Masterworks is taking paintings that people invest in and putting those in museums or institutions, or also in the public, so they can be enjoyed generally rather than just in a single collector's home.
But I mean, you're removing the secondary market for a start, aren't you? As soon as a company like yours owns that piece of work, like I say, it ceases to be the ownership of a person or indeed a museum where it can be democratized, if you want to use that word. It becomes a commodity, and there is no secondary market for that after that, is there?
Well, no. So we lend paintings to museums, so they are on public display, and then we eventually do sell the painting back into the art market. So, I mean, we tend to think of it as a very similar life cycle to a collector buying a painting and then eventually selling it, with the exception that thousands of people own the painting and it can go on display in an institution itself or somewhere else in public view.
But if we're talking about the secondary market, what if I have my fractional share and say it's in a beautiful Leonardo da Vinci painting, but I'm suddenly strapped for cash and I want to cash out? How do I cash out?
So you would sell your shares in the secondary market, very similar to how you sell a stock. You go onto our trading platform and you list your shares for sale at a certain price, and then if someone wants to buy them, they can buy them at that price. Obviously, these assets are less liquid than public stocks, so we tell investors to assume that if they put shares on the secondary market at a reasonable price, that trade could clear in a couple of weeks rather than in seconds. But it operates in a very similar manner.